like this, son. You gonna hit you like this. Watch it, son. What is that? You're gonna hit your ass like, watch it. You're gonna hit your ass like this. Exactly. You know what happened.
That shit was good. I couldn't even see your name.
But it's Thursday.
Fuck! What the fuck? You gonna hit this shit on your ass. You gonna hit this shit on your ass. Hey, Marvin. 51 hit combo. Deuce. Hyper combo finish.
I was the bucket. You recorded that whole thing?
Fuck yeah.
So his body shouldn't even be
dead.
Damn it.
I got 51. Man, I'm actually turned to a vampire. I start sparkling in this.
I remember when the music used to mean something. Before all the fake posing and the mean mugging. Before the product endorsements. Before iPod, Serato, and CDJs came in like the 4 horsemen. Unconditionally supporting the recordings. Hip-hop raised me like an orphan. So naive of me to think skills were so important. Now I know better. It's drug dealers, government informants, singing funeral hymns for your and my enjoyment. These niggas need to get laid off like unemployment. New year, new strategy, new day, new ways to collect checks. I call that new pay. If you can get 7 checks every month, that's when you say fuck a deal. I can kick and push my own like Lupe. Independents get their bread off top like toupee. So the moral of the lesson, the gist of my monologue: don't ever put your life on the line without God involved. That's the source of your talent around which the world revolves. And once you truly understand that, then your problem solved. Even when they blame hip hop for dying, I was y'all.
Stick to my mission, and my mission is cash flow. Moving through the community, create me a cash cow. They want me out of the ghetto, but won't show me a way out. Give me a way out. So soon I grow to doubt my place in society, feeling my people lie to me. Born of a dying breed that continues to have seeds. Dead sons never rise, never reach kind of love. Maybe it's a dream, but I never been this high. Off my own spirit, they say it's the most high. I say it's the feeling I get when I know I'm here in the flesh and some of the homies and dust. I bow my head and continue to keep your name alive. Why I'm here is now so clear, it's crystallized. Before your very eyes, you witness my ascent and rise. Over the ghetto like a halo from the old and wise. Damn, why he had to die, it's never wrong, never right.